What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to share with you my top favorite high ticket affiliate programs for beginners. If you're someone that's maybe just getting started when it comes to high ticket affiliate marketing, maybe you realize the power of promoting a product that you don't even have to create, but you could still earn a ton of money per sale, then you're in the right place because I've been online full time the last 5 years and I've currently mainly just focused on high ticket affiliate marketing because again, you don't need many sales. You can see on the screen right here that these are some screenshots of different days in my Stripe account. You can see that this day I generate $2,250, and this was just two payments, okay, two sales. Because with what I'm going to share with you, the programs, you're going to be able to literally go out there very easily, generate a commission, and again, in one payment, you could earn $2,000. Okay, now before I dive into more information, I want to share there's going to be a link directly below this video in the description if you're watching this on YouTube, and that's going to take you to my website. It should look something like this. This is a free application where you can actually answer these different questions, and if you qualify, you can check out an overview video walking you through exactly how to get started with these high ticket affiliate programs. But without further ado, I want to dive into the very first one. Okay, now if you've watched any of my videos before, you know that I highly recommend Easy One Up. Now, why? And what is Easy One Up? Well, Easy One Up is basically a high ticket affiliate program that sells video training teaching people how to build a successful online business. So a lot of these high ticket affiliate programs that you promote out there, the products are not useful, right? It's scammy, they're outdated, and they're not useful to people. So you get a lot of refunds, right? People, when they decide to buy through your link, often they get back there and it's not valuable, or it's very difficult to sell those products because they're not useful. But again, with Easy One Up, each of the levels, okay, and Easy One Up that you can actually sell are very, very effective and very useful video training, teaching people again how to start creating a successful online business. Now, the product packages that you can actually promote with this affiliate program range from $25 all the way up to $2,000. Okay, so this is a high ticket program. Now, why is it perfect for beginners? Well, one of the things people love about Easy One Up is that you can actually earn while you learn. So if you were to join Easy One Up, okay, you were to actually position yourself, let's say you were to join the Vertex Live program, okay, whatever level you join at Easy One Up, you unlock that level and all the levels under it, okay? And the cool thing is you actually get to access this training yourself. So you can go through this training learning, video sales funnels, zero cost traffic, right? Reddit marketing. You can learn from this training, and then you can turn around and apply that training to get people to buy Easy One Up packages through you, okay, as an affiliate. The other cool thing, the thing I really love about Easy One Up is that when you make a sale, okay, when you make a referral, you do not have to wait a week, a month, even a day to get the money. Okay, this is an instant paying high ticket affiliate program. When you refer someone, let's say to the Vertex Live, which is one of the most popular levels, most people get started at this level. When you refer someone, you get that $2,000 instantly. Okay, because when you join Easy One Up, you choose what payment method you want to collect the commission with, okay, whether it's PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, okay, and you get that money directly. There's no middleman. Now, the way Easy One Up makes money is if I go here, okay, there's different levels. Now, each level you can see $25, and there's a $5 admin fee when someone joins, okay, so you get to collect that first amount, and then the admin fee goes to Easy One Up, and that's how they're making their money. So with this, the way it's set up for beginners, it's perfect because again, if you have someone join, okay, they invest the $2,000 one time, that one-time payment, and they pay the $500 to Easy One Up, you get to collect that money, and now you can use that money for paid traffic. You can spend it on whatever you want, pay off bills. So it's a really, really powerful. Now, joining Easy One Up is very simple. And again, there's going to be some links in the description. You would just click join now, okay? That would take you to this page. You would just fill out your information, choose a username, password, okay? Enter a CAPTCHA code. It's going to be random. Mine is 721, but it's going to be different for you. Agree to terms and then start now. And then you'll get taken to this page here. You just choose a level, okay? Because every high ticket affiliate program and affiliate program in general, almost all of them are going to require you to invest yourself, okay? It's called pay to play. Now, don't let that, stop you. You want to be a product of the product, okay? You want to actually invest into the thing that you're promoting, because if you don't believe in it, how are you going to get other people to join you, right? So I personally invested all in. I went at the $2,000 level. If for whatever reason you can't get in as high as possible, okay, Vertex Pro is also very popular. Join at that level, and then you can start promoting this high ticket affiliate program, okay? Now, the second and final high ticket affiliate program for beginners that I've been loving recently that I want to share with you is called Traffic Authority, okay? So if I log in here, what Traffic Authority is, it's two things, right? It has an affiliate program that's very high ticket that you can join and promote, but it's also a traffic store, okay? So what Traffic Authority, what this high ticket affiliate program, the product that you're selling actually is high quality traffic, okay? If you don't know what traffic is, basically it's clicks to a website, right? When you get traffic online, which you need to do with affiliate marketing, you can actually sell traffic to people, okay? And when they actually purchase that traffic through your link, you can earn some amazing commissions. Now you can see these are the different traffic packages you can sell, okay? And it ranges from $220 for the person buying all the way up to $8,397. And all of these commissions are about 50% or so. So you make about 50% commission when you refer someone to this traffic. Now, why do I love Easy One Up and why do I love Traffic Authority? Because these two things are something every business owner, every person wanting to make money online has to have. You have to have traffic, and you have to have video training teaching you strategies to make money and start a business online. So with these two things, when you recommend them to people, not only are you going to be a product of the product because you can go in here and purchase traffic yourself, okay, to send it to whatever website you want to promote. But again, when you get people joining you, you're going to be able to make that money. And that's, these two, you can see right here. If I show you how much with Traffic Authority, I've been able to generate, okay, in a very short period of time, okay, as it loads, in a very, very short period of time, if I go to payments, you're going to see I've been able to generate $17,257, okay? So it's very, very high paying. You can see all time, okay? So this is really effective. Now, if I go to Easy One Up, okay, you can see rates here. That total earned, I've been able to generate $191,800, okay? So this is very high ticket. And again, you don't need a lot of sales to really start making those big paydays. So if you were someone looking for high ticket affiliate programs for beginners, I hope this video solved that for you. I don't want you going down the rabbit hole of other videos and going out there, because the fact of the matter is a lot of these people creating these videos are simply not getting results. They're creating these videos to try to get results themselves, but they don't even have proof that they've actually made money. You can see the results that I'm getting, not just from me though, from people from around the world. Very quickly, you can see right here, these are some people, okay, that actually made money. You can see Easy One Up, okay, so this person made money with Easy One Up. This is another Easy One Up, okay, $4,000 in 24 hours. This is another person with Easy One Up, $2,000, okay, so we're all making money with Easy One Up and Traffic Authority. Go down below. Again, if you're interested, be sure you go down and also join Easy One Up through me, because when you join at the $1,000 or $2,000 level, you get tons and tons of bonus training and copy paste ads you can actually post online to start getting traffic, leads, and sales as soon as this week. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, my friend. Stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already to my videos. I'm gonna be sharing more high ticket affiliate marketing training. And I will see you, my friend, very, very soon. Take care, and I'll talk soon.